Hey everybody, got a cool one for you today. The CX-90 launched the Artisan Red Premium color, but this is a CX-90 in Soul Red Crystal Metallic. So we haven't seen too many of these in the media, but they are trickling into dealers in this color. This is Mazda's signature red color that's available across the rest of the lineup. So I thought it would be cool to check out the new CX-90 in a different shade of red. This particular one is a Turbo S Premium. It's been here all of about 20 minutes. It just came off the truck, and it is available. Give you a quick look at those 21-inch wheels. Look inside this one real quick. And this is supposed to be an exterior video, but why not take a peek inside? The interior is beautiful, after all. So there's your quick look. If you want to see it in person, come see me at South Burlington Mazda.